Hello everybody, let me show you what I'm working on here today. I've been having some trouble with the old electric stop arms on this bus with corrosion, and they were the Series 5, and you can no longer get a lot of parts for them anymore. So I upgraded, or I'm in the process of upgrading to an air stop arm. And it's pretty nice. It's nice and low profile. Sits a lot closer to the bus, but it's going to be a problem because there's a roof bow running right down in this area, and the elbow for the air line on the stop arm is just behind it. So I'm going to have to find a way to get access and run an air line through the roof bow into the electrical panel here. And then I'm also going to have to wire up an electrical solenoid and air regulator valve somewhere in this panel here. Probably put it right in there. And then the back one, I'm just going to delete it altogether. We'll go take a look at that. Right here's where the back one used to be. And it left some holes, but I've got a welder here locally that can weld those in. We'll take a look at the paneling in the inside. I've got all the paneling back here torn out. I just basically drilled all these rivets out here and took the wiring out, and then it basically just goes up to right here. This wasn't factory on the bus. I put this one on myself about 8-10 years ago, right when I first bought it. But the power for the lights and the stop arm actually come from the red warning lights. And I ran it down the roof bow here and out there, and the 3 wires to power and trigger the stop arm basically just go clear up there. But you had to take part of this sheeting off too, because I got 2 holes here, and what I want them to do, if they need to, they can weld a patch, a plate on here, and then just fill it in, tack weld it on the outside. But it's not as big of a job as it looks. The main thing is getting help to take these seats out, because it's really difficult when you're by yourself. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to take some seats out up here too. Pull part of this panel off right here so I can get to the back of the new air stop arm and figure out what's in this area right in here, and make sure that it's not going to be right in the middle of a roof bow where I need to drill the hole for the air supply. So I've got a pretty big job here going on. And then we'll take a look at the old stop arms. There's the back one here. As you can see, it's got quite a bit of rust and corrosion and gravel road dust in here. And the wiring's about shot, so I just bought a brand new one. This was the front one here. It's a little better, but the clutch is bad. And out here where I'm at, we get some pretty high strength winds, and I've already had this front stop arm just blow clear to the front and hit the front of the bus. It gets that windy, because that little slip clutch there with the 2 looks like hose clamps on it, that's what's supposed to keep that from slipping. And I was going to mount this stop arm. This here, somebody was going to throw it away. I don't know what the heck it is, but it says air vacuum on it. So I don't know if it's an air and or vacuum or what the deal is, but it's a really, really old specialty stop arm. But the weird thing is the bolt pattern on this one is the exact same as the air stop arm here. So it'll fit in the same bolt holes. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching.